This is Realme 9 Pro Plus, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can enter and use the Camera Pro mode on this device. So to start, let's launch the default camera application. Then among the modes that you can use over here, you gotta go for the More section, choose the Pro mode, and in here, as you can see, we can manually change the values for such parameters or camera options as ISO, shutter speed, exposure, so let me quickly get it back to normal, focus distance, or set the manual focus value, and change the white balance. So that would be pretty much it as far as Camera Pro mode goes. To sum up, that's basically the camera mode that provides you with significantly more manual control over the photos that you are shooting. So I guess that's great to have for the people who are really enthusiastic about using the phone camera and just want to have as much control over the pictures they are about to shoot as it is humanly possible. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.